Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Arpan from IT College. Ma'am, what is your profession and your name and your
My name is Dr. Swaratika Mishra. I am basically a prosthetist and orthotist. My profession is basically to help those people who are physically challenged.
how did you get into this profession?
I had my maternal uncle into this field. I knew something about this as it was like inspiring thing for me. So when I entered this department, I actually got to know what exactly he has been doing for the past his life. So it was very fascinating for me to see a patient come to the department in a wheelchair, but by us, we can make him walk and he can go back to his normal life without the wheelchair. So that kept me back hooked up to this department, and that is the reason I am here for the past 15 years.
What is your good and bad experience?
My first experience, which is the driving force for me being in this, is a patient who had come to us. He was the breadwinner for his family, and he being a laborer, his below the knee amputation was done as a crush injury, where the stone brick had fallen onto him. So they had to amputate his leg, and he was very unhappy about that. He was not able to go back to his work, and that happened only in second year. So I could see that the turmoil that his family was going through, losing the breadwinner, was too much for a pain for them. But when we fitted him with a below knee like this, so the patient was able to go back to his normal life. As you can see, this is plastic. The earlier versions, which are even still today continued with Jaipur foot, is something that is given free of cost charity. But the patient does not get a feel of his own limb. By this, what we have is that the patient is able to hold his stump within this. He gets a feeling of his own leg, and he can utilize his available muscles onto that. So that gives us a feedback that the patient can walk very well. So that helped me gain even more hold on this department, and I continue working on it. That's the most fortunate thing that has happened to me. And saying about unfortunate things, there are many things we come across. Like we tried making some things for patient, they are not happy that. We had got one case where the patient, we tried a lot, but probably the patient we were trying was not satisfied all the time. So that way, that was one unhappy thing that I have come across in this past 15 years.
What would be your advice for the youngsters who want to come into this?
I would say that this is a really inspiring thing. If you guys want to come into this line, it has a lot of things to do. It is called prosthetics and orthotics, which means artificial limbs manufacturing, that is prosthetics. And the other part is called orthotics, means supporting the cases like post-polio conditions, CTV, which we say club foot, and other stuff. This has anatomy, medical biology, everything that is a part of anatomy, physical therapy and other stuff. Other part is rehabilitation.